Okay, let's look at parallel and perpendicular lines. Real quick, parallel lines, when you have two lines that have the same slope, that will never intersect. Where perpendicular lines are lines that are perpendicular, that makes 90 degrees at intersection. Okay, those are parallel and perpendicular lines. And if you look at number 11, for example here, it says a pair of parallel lines. It could be, I'm sorry, a pair of parallel planes. So you can say this plane up here is parallel to the plane down there, and this side plane can also be parallel. So you can write, for example, for this one, you can say, remember, plane. Okay, stand. Plane. And remember, when you use plane, you have to use minimal of 3 points. And plane LEA. Okay, so let's move down. Oh yeah, and also we have skew lines as well. For example, CD and FA are skew, and we also have perpendicular lines here as well. Looks like maybe JC and CD can also be perpendicular. Now let's look at some different types of angles here. A little review from algebra. What are alternate interior angles? That could be angles 4, 6, 1, 6, 5, 2, and 1, 4. And then 3, 1, and 4, and 5 are all alternate interior angles. How about some same-sided interior angles? We could have angle 1 and angle 3. Or same-sided interior, angle 4, angle 6, angle 5 and angle 4, angle 1 and angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, and then angle 5 and angle 1. Alright, and then let's look at corresponding angles. Let me erase these right here. And we can look at corresponding angles such as angle 5 and angle 6 are corresponding, angle 3 and angle 4 is corresponding, angle 6 and angle 5 is corresponding. I think that is it. And then lastly, let's look at alternate exterior angles. Okay, alternate exterior angles. Okay, that's angle 5 and angle 2 are exterior alternate angles. What else? I think that's it. Okay, moving on. Let's do a couple problems here. Let's look at number 30. We're supposed to write true and false. If false, explain. Is CB parallel to HG? And the answer is yes, because they're parallel. Let's look at 35. AE and BC are skew. AE and BC are skew. The answer is actually no, because if they continue, let me show you. If this continues and this continues, they will actually intersect at this point. So I do say it is false. Okay, and then let's look at let's look at number 37 here, and we need to determine if it's always, sometimes, or never true. Okay, let's look at 37. Two parallel lines are coplanar, meaning are they on the same plane? Are they always? Is that always true, sometimes true, or never true? Well, if you look at this parallel line, if it's in the same plane, can two parallel lines ever be on a different plane? The answer is no. They will always be on the same plane. So this is always true. And let's look at one more down here, number 46. Two planes A and B have other lines in common that are parallel to CD, right here. And by definition, if you have two planes that intersect, they only intersect at one line or line segment. So the answer is no.